Time to wrap it up. Focus. Q sound going live in 5, 4, 3, 2.
2020 Audi Q3 35D Tfsi. Key features and specification review. Audi's updated small SUV makes for a stylish, safe and spacious city runabout, even if some of its optional extras or emissions really should be standard. Advantage. Looks fantastic. Spacious, practical interior. No more fidgety idle stop. Compact body and safety suite make for excellent city driving. Disadvantage. Some expensive optional extras really should be standard. Fiddly interior door handles. No head-up display. A firmer ride than one might expect from an SUV. Car details. Make. Audi. Model. Q3. Variant. 35 Tfsi S-tronic. Series. F3MY20. Year. 2020. Body type. 4D wagon. CARADVICE ratings. Pricing. New price. $46,400 MRLP. Private sale. $41,030. $46,630. Dealer retail. $40,610. $48,290. Dealer trade. $31,500. $37,300. Engine specifications. Engine type. Turbo Direct FINJ. Engine side. 1.4L. Cylinders. Turbo 4. Max. Torque. 250 Newton meters, 1,500 revolutions per minute. Max. Power. 110 kilowatts at 5,000 revolutions per minute. PWR/WGT ratio. 71.2 with kilogram. Bore and stroke. 74.5 by 80 millimeters. Compression ratio. 10.0. Fuel specifications. Fuel type. Premium unleaded petrol. Fuel tank capacity. 58 liters. Fuel consumption combined. 7.2 L 100 kilometers. Weight and measurement. Curb weight. 1545. Gross vehicle weight. Not provided. Height. 1,640 millimeters. Length. 4,485 millimeters. Width. 1,849 millimeters. Ground clearance. 191 millimeters. Towing capacity. Brake 1800, unbrake 750. It's hard to pinpoint a class of car that's more competitive, faster growing, or littered with options than the crossover segment. Plus, head toward the pricier end of the spectrum and you'll find some of the most attractive, coveted cars on the road, the Audi Q3 chief among them. Aimed squarely at image-conscious city-dwelling owners with a bit more money to spend and a few more passengers to fit, the new generation Q3 small SUV landed in late 2019, bringing the promise of more room, better fuel economy and an overall improved driving experience. At the moment, your Q3 options in Australia include the base 35 Tfsi variant reviewed here, in either regular or Sportback style, or two 2.0-litre 40 Tfsi variants with all-wheel drive, the 40 Tfsi Quattro or the 40 Tfsi Quattro S-Line. There's an all-wheel drive Sportback offering some performance RS models due later this year and a mild hybrid also in development. The Audi Q3 35 has a 4-cylinder, 1.5-litre petrol engine mated to a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission and front-wheel drive. The exterior styling of this latest model is more interesting than the previous generation Q3, and the interior is the normal high-quality Audi environment. The trim. The Audi Q3 is practical, has plenty of tech and is decent to drive. However, the Range Rover Evoque and Volvo XC40 are both classier inside, more comfortable and ultimately are better all-rounders. There are plenty of sensible storage options throughout and enough room for all 5 occupants. Head clearance in the car is ample, while rear legroom is sufficient. Back seat occupants get 2 air vents, plus a large center armrest with pop-up cup holders, 2 USB-C ports, and 2 strangely shaped side bins placed by the door, just below the hit point. Q3 is a very safe car. It gets a 5-star NCAP rating and scores autonomous emergency braking, including pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning and lane keep assist as standard. Also standard are the reverse camera, rear cross traffic alert and front and rear parking sensors, all of which work in harmony to ensure the Q3 is the quintessential city car, able to navigate squeezy CBD streets without earning any unfortunate scrapes. An optional parking package adds a 360-degree camera and park assist technology. I'd argue the former should be standard. Other highlights included the presence of wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto as standard, a wireless phone charger, a beautifully high-res detailed satellite navigation display, and finally, excellent adaptive cruise control. The latter is unfortunately also part of the comfort package. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with our channel and follow our progress in science and technology. A truly wonderful resource for all students, experts and enthusiasts with a passion for the developing world. Right Stuff also supplies a vast social network that allows you to interact with others who share your interests. Join our network link given in the video description box.